In this video, you'll learn how to align text in Microsoft Word, an essential skill that can enhance the presentation and readability of your documents. Whether you're working on a school project, a professional report, or a personal letter, knowing how to align your text properly can make a significant difference. So, let's dive right in and explore the different alignment options available in Microsoft Word. First, you'll want to start by highlighting the text you wish to change. You can do this by simply clicking and dragging over the specific text, or if you want to select the entire document, press Ctrl+A and everything will be highlighted at once. This is a handy shortcut that saves time, especially when working with lengthy documents. Now, let's explore the first alignment option, Left Align. You can achieve this by pressing Ctrl+L. This is the standard layout most commonly used in documents. The text begins flush against the left margin, leaving a ragged right edge. Left alignment is ideal for general writing and is how most people read text, making it the default in many word processors. Next, we have the center alignment, which is activated by pressing Ctrl+E. As the name suggests, this option centers every line perfectly between the margins. Centering is particularly useful for titles, invitations, and poems, where you want to draw attention to the text or create a symmetrical look. It adds emphasis and can make your document appear more formal or artistic. Moving on, we have Right Align, which you can enable by pressing Ctrl+R. This alignment flushes your text against the right margin, leaving the left edge ragged. Right alignment is less common in everyday writing, but can be very effective for specific elements. Use this option for dates, page headers, or small author bios, where you want the text to align neatly with the right margin for a clean and professional appearance. Finally, let's discuss the Justify alignment, which you can access by pressing Ctrl+J. This option spreads your words out evenly, ensuring that the text hits both the left and right margins perfectly. It resembles the columns you might see in a newspaper or novel, offering a clean, polished look. Justified text is excellent for longer documents and formal reports, as it creates a uniform block of text that can be visually appealing. These simple alignment techniques can greatly enhance the readability and aesthetic appeal of your documents. Remember that while it's crucial to choose the right alignment for your content, consistency throughout your document is essential for maintaining a professional appearance. To recap, use Left Align for standard text, Center for titles or invitations, Right Align for specific elements like dates, and Justify for a polished, newspaper-style look. With these options at your fingertips, you can tailor your document's appearance to suit your needs perfectly. Experiment with these alignments and see how they can transform your documents. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in choosing the right alignment for any situation. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to align text in Microsoft Word. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on enhancing your digital documents. Happy writing!